If your advertisement is correctly running, you will see a label called active. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to check the ads are currently active on your Facebook page. If you are running page promotion, boosted post or Facebook ads, this tutorial will help you easily confirm if your ads are active and running properly. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open your Facebook app or Facebook page from your mobile phone or computer. Now go to the Facebook page where you are running ads or promotion. After opening your page, scroll down a little and look for the option called Ad Center or Professional Dashboard. Tap on it. Inside the section, Facebook will show all information related to your page promotion and ads. Here you can see Manage. Click Manage option. Here you can see Finishing in 4 days, sent ads. Click here. Active ads, completed ads, boosted post, ad performance, reach and engagement. If your advertisement is correctly running, you will see a label called active beside the ad or boosted post. This means your Facebook ad is live and people are seeing it. You can also tap on the ad to see more details like how much money has been spent, how many people reached the ad, total click and engagement, remaining duration of the campaign. Now if you do not see any active status, then your ad may be paused, under review, reject or already completed. Another easy way to check if is by opening the Meta Ads Manager app or website. Inside Ads Manager, you can directly see the campaign status. If the status shows active, your ad is running successfully. If it shows in review, you need to wait a Facebook approval, and if it says rejected, you need to fix the issue mentioned by Facebook. So guys, this is how you can easily check whether ads are active on your Facebook page or not. I hope this video helped you. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for more helpful Facebook and online earning tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.